friends. Welcome back to Seeking Out Sunshine and another episode of Let Your Light Shine, where we step outside the pages of our coloring books for a brief time and reconnect with our spirits, abandoning all the rules and confines of lines and borders, exploring the complete freedom of combining our favorite mediums with a weekly affirmation. I am so glad that you have decided to join me today. I am looking forward to getting back into my art journal, and I hope you are as well. I hope you've had a beautiful week, and last week's time together recharged you, and you are looking forward to how you can be recharged today as well. I am using the Gabrielle Bernstein set Super Attractor for this week. And this one, I think, is our card. All right. I trust that my powerful intentions, combined with my faith, are enough to allow my vision to become my reality. I trust that my powerful intentions, combined with my faith, are enough to allow my vision to become my reality. It's so interesting. In my last weekly whip video, guys, I talked about some of the struggles that I've been having on this new YouTube journey, which is self-doubt and not feeling enough. And I challenged all of you to question, what is your dream? What is your vision? What is something that you really want to do in life, but you're just not willing to take the first step because it's so scary? Because trust me, guys, I was there. And I was like, go guys, dream big, do the thing. So I think this is just the universe reinforcing that to this community, that it is full of a lot of dreamers. You guys are watching this video and there is a dream on your heart right now. There is something that you want to do. And this is the universe telling you to trust. Trust it. Trust that you have the intentions, and trust your heart, your faith, that those things are enough to have it come to fruition, to have it come into this space, right? The dream inside your heart is already energy. And so we just have to be a verb and having that energy become something that others can see, that you can see, that can be witnessed. So if it's already on your heart, it's already there. It's in the atmosphere for you to grab and to hold on to, and to produce something amazing, something that this world needs. And I love all of these stars, because in our community we talk about how each of you are these bright, beautiful stars that were here for a purpose, right? That need to shine bright. Like if I cover up this star and it wasn't there, you'd be like, well, why didn't the artist maybe put one there? Or, if there was just one star on this card, personally, I would be like, well, where are all the other stars? It needs a few more, right? You were meant to shine. You were meant to show up and have those dreams unfold throughout your lifetime. And somewhere along the way, we have experiences or people that make us doubt those dreams, or they're too silly, or, why would you do that? Or, and they confined us to those boxes that we often talk about, that we're trying to rip back out of, right? We're trying to get out of those boxes. And so we do have to trust ourselves. That's where it starts. So our card this week is telling all of us to trust that little voice. It's little right now. It's going to get bigger. That little voice inside of us that says your intentions, combined with just that belief in yourself, even if it's small, make it be mighty, in the years to come or whatever. And even if it's small right now, let this community be a community that makes you believe, your intentions, what you do today, one little step. Maybe you just write down the plan. Maybe you draw a picture of what it is. Maybe you tell somebody else what it is. Maybe you stand in front of a mirror and you say it to yourself. Maybe you record yourself telling yourself what your dream is, and you listen to it every single day. but I trust that my powerful intentions combined with my faith are enough to allow my vision to become a reality. There's a lot of vision in this group. I can feel it. Like I'm connecting to all of this beautiful energy, and there's so much that the universe needs. So let's get our art supplies out, let's get our journals out, and let's create and just have a moment to connect with this card, and we'll come back together shortly. I trust that my powerful intentions, combined with my faith, are enough to allow my vision to become a reality. I hope that you enjoyed your creative time today. The time that you took to reacquaint yourself with those dreams that are burning so brightly in your belly. Friend, this is your story. Your dreams matter. That light that is inside of you will guide you. Believe. Trust. I wrote on my page, I am not too late. I don't have to have it all figured out. Rise up, believe, trust, keep climbing. And I think that is the biggest thing for me, why I created these mountains, is that no dream just happens overnight. No dream comes to fruition without struggle, without a huge amount, immense amounts of growth and obstacles. And it's an adventure, right? It takes time, but it doesn't mean that it's not worth it. The best things in life usually take the most amount of time. And your dream is one that our world needs. You are stronger than you think. Keep climbing your mountains. This is your story. You are creating the story of your life right now. And while the pages that are behind you have already been written, you are in complete control of what you fill the blank pages in front of you with. Believe, trust, fail, get back up and keep climbing. Be a verb in the creation of your dream. No more dimming your light, friend. I believe in you. I am sending you all my love and sunshine. I hope you will share with me in the comments, what is your dream that is speaking to your spirit right now that you want to put out in the world? Maybe the first step is just getting it out there to others. Write your dreams down, say them to yourself, and then be that verb to create them. Again, I'm sending you all my love and sunshine. Bye for now.